Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to divert calls to another number on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your phone pad right here. So click on here. So it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top side. So click on that. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then look for career features. Click on career features. It takes you right here. Now, if you are using dual SIM phone, what you need to do is to simply select the SIM line you want to use. Then having selected the SIM line, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on call forwarding. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on always forward. Then at this point here, enter the phone number you want to divert the call to. Once you enter the number, simply click on turn on. Or alternatively, you can click on this icon right here to import the number. So once you import the number, you are doing the same thing. Simply click on turn on. And with that, you can see forwarding all calls to this particular number. This simply means that each time people are calling me on this line, it will automatically redirect the call also to my other line. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.